data with these competitors, as well as you can take the decisions.
Okay.
Okay, and simply like you are saying that you are doing your bachelor's degree, right? Bachelor's.
Yes.
Isn't it? So
Yes.
now when you are in semester, you have like first semester, second semester, isn't it?
Yes.
So after the completion of the first semester, we have a report of our academics, isn't it?
Yes. Right.
So based on that, after receiving your report, what we do normally, we start analyzing our marks individually, subject-wise. We start comparing our marks with our competitors, as well as within the other subjects, as well as we take the decisions, isn't it? Like, for example, you want to be like top position. Your grade is like B plus something else, but you want to be an A plus. So you take the decisions that to achieve that A plus position, what you will do? You will take the decisions like you to work hard, or you to spend more time in the lab, or you to spend more time on the studies. Isn't it? We are taking a decision, right?
Yeah.
Based on what we are doing, based on the performance, based on our performance.
Okay.
The analyzing of performance, comparing our performance, as well as taking the decision. Isn't it? So similarly, like go with an real-time example. So the report card example is of real life example, and the example which I'm going to check it now is real time example. Okay, so now if you see here, if you observe, this is what I'm taking Walmart. Assume the Walmart is our client. So Walmart is having many stores all over the world, as well as if I'm taking here in US. Okay, currently you're in US, I guess, right, Hanson?
No, I'm in Chicago.
That's what. Okay, it's part of US, isn't it?
Yes, a part of you.
Yeah, that's what. So in US itself, Walmart is having many clients. Sorry, many stores, isn't it? You have in Chicago, you have in Texas, you have in California, New Jersey, New York, all these. Okay, all the areas. So now if it all Walmart is our client, assume that Walmart is our client. If Walmart is our client means, he asked us to develop the reports based on our Obiee tool. Okay, then what we have done? Okay, this is the assumption. Okay, Hanson, this is the assumption. These are the examples. Okay, just for your understanding purpose, I have taken these examples. So now, what happens means, he has given 3 regions of US, that is New Jersey, New York, and Texas. As well as he has given some of the business areas. Of course, he is having many business areas. From A to Z, we can, everything is available in Walmart, isn't it? So he has given us business areas like cosmetics, milk products, vegetables, as well as fruits. Okay, cosmetics, milk products, vegetables, as well as fruits. Okay, then he asked us to develop the report within these 3 regions, within these 4 business areas. Okay, then as a reporting developers, what we have done means, we have started analyzing the Walmart sales. See here, for example, New Jersey cosmetic sales is high. Assume after developing the report based on the data. Okay, so we develop the report as per the regions wise, as per the business areas wise. So in New York, cosmetic sales are very good. It's in safe place. Okay, in New Jersey, cosmetics is very good. New Jersey cosmetics is very low, means very bad. Okay, like that in New Jersey, milk products, vegetables, and fruits are medium, and New York, milk products, vegetables, and fruits are high. But whereas in Texas, all the business areas are good, it's high. Now we develop the report and we have given to the client. Now what the client will do now? Answer.
Yeah?
What the client will do now?
What is it?
After he will start analyzing his business.
Yeah?
Within the 3 regions and 4 subject areas, isn't it? He will start comparing his business,
Okay.
within all those regions and subject business areas, as well as he will take the decisions, right? Like, New Jersey cosmetics is very good, but in New York it's very less. They are facing losses. So what they will do? They will take the decision like this. They may take like this. They will introduce some offers like 1+1. We used to see regularly offers in the malls, isn't it?
I didn't get that.
Point.
What did you say? I didn't get the last thing you said.
Alright. We used to see many offers in the malls, isn't it? Sales.
Yes.
Like 50% off, 40% off, 25% off.
Yes, it's
Around
yeah.
this one. We used to see, right?
Yeah.
So those. Okay, so they may take these kind of decisions to increase their business. Got it?
Okay.
So based on what they are doing all these things? Based on the report developed by our
Yeah.
Obiee tool, they are able to take the decision. In a simple line, in a single line, I can see, if you ask me what is a reporting tool or a BI tool, means it's nothing but, okay, it is useful to analyze the business and client can able to take the decisions. Simply, it is a decision making tool for the client to analyze the performance.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Hope you got knowledge like what is Obiee as well as what is a reporting tool. Now,
Yes. Okay.
are you following, Hanson? It's
Yeah, I'm
clear.
following.
Is it clear?
I'm following.
Good. Let us see the history of Obiee. Okay? Let us see the history of Obiee.
Okay.
Like Oracle Business Intelligence is based on Siebel Business Analytics. Okay? Which was originally created by Enquiry in 1997. So this Obiee was known as Enquiry Reporting Tool in 1997. Enquiry was an organization, it's a product. Actually, they have created this Obiee tool, this reporting tool. So, if you see Enquiry answers, this is what, okay, in 1997, it was, a reporting tool was like this.
Okay.
Okay, after that, many changes have taken place. Like, after that, many releases, like, they say, like, after Enquiry, Siebel acquired it and named it as Siebel Analytics. Okay, and in 2006 here, and in 2006, Oracle acquired Siebel and named it as Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. And from 2006 to till now, okay, 2015, known as Obiee. Now the latest version is 11G version. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
This is what the history of Obiee. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me, Hanson.
Yeah, I can ask you. I understand it. It's the time 1997 now. It's it was meant to be. I understand. Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay, thank you. So now how our sessions are going to be, okay? I have divided the course into 5 levels, that is 5 parts. Level 1 is data warehouse concepts. These are the basics of Obiee.
Okay.
Okay. Why basics? Why basics of Obiee? Like our alphabets. Okay. Like our alphabets, data warehouse concepts are like basics to Obiee.
Okay.
Next one is the beginner level, where I'm going to start the tool. Okay. So how to open the tool, how to create the repository, how to import the tables and all the stuff. Takes place in beginner level. Okay. Next, middle level. Middle level is like, here we are going to develop, yeah.
Excuse me. What is the first one? DWA. What does that mean?
Data warehouse.
Okay, data warehouse.
Yes, data warehouse concepts.
Okay.
Okay. Here. Second one is beginner level.
Yeah.
Third one is middle level, where I am going to develop the reports here. I am going to develop the reports, I am going to create the dashboards, I am going to place the reports on the dashboards.
Okay.
The next one is high level. There comes the security part, how to create the users, how to create the groups, like how to assign the roles to it. Okay, whether it is a data level security or the object level security. Okay, all these comes under high level concepts. And next fifth one is like advanced level. Okay, advanced level is nothing but like previously it was 10G, now it is 11G. So, sorry, what are the advanced topic of Obiee 11Ds? All those we are going to discuss in fifth level, that is advanced level. And it's now Hansen.
No.
So like I don't want to make the like training sessions complicated because okay, like that is the reason I have like divided the course into 5 levels. Okay, 5 parts you can say. Okay, to make it very easy for you, very understandable. Okay, and everything is very scheduled here. Okay, like if I log in today, what is the topic we are going to discuss? We are having each and everything in the slides. Okay, topics wise, concepts wise, we are going to cover. Like from low level to we are going to start high levels. Right from the basics. Okay, next beginners, next like middle levels, high levels, and advanced levels. So that it will be very easy for you to understand as well as to practice also.
Okay.
So yeah, if you are having any doubts, Hanson, you without any hesitation, you can ask me immediately. Make me hold there itself and clarify your doubt.
Okay. No doubt for now.
Right. So now, this is what data warehousing. For example, it is assumed that it is a SQL server, it's a DBA. Okay, like this we have many other DBs like that. Those are like Oracle and all many other data sources. All this will be integrated in the data warehouse. And from your data warehouse, we are having 2 kinds of tools. One is ETL tool as well as another one is reporting tool. Okay, ETL developers will create this data warehouse actually. They will create this data warehouse. And next, reporting tools like our reporting developers, we comes into the picture here and we develop the reports by importing the tables and columns from the from the data warehouse. We import the tables and columns from the data warehouse. Okay. Like these are the concepts which we are going to discuss, like what is data warehouse, the architecture of data warehouse, what is data mart, okay, what is dimension table, impact table, types of schemas and all that stuff. Okay, well, let's see. From the in the data warehouse, we are going to discuss what is the data. From what is data? It's the basic. Okay, it's a basic again, right? We are having what is the data in general? Any meaningful information is known as data. Any meaningful information, like okay, any meaningful information, like if you take the bus ticket, train ticket.
Yeah.
Okay, anything is that having a meaningful information. So here we are having 2 kinds of data. One is transactional data and another one is analytical data. Transactional data as well as analytical. Immediately with the transactional data, for the transaction data, I'm going example ATM transactions. ATM transactions. In an ATM, for example, Hanson, you have created Wells Fargo bank account in 2012, January 10th or something. Now it's 2015, January 16th. And now if you want to take the printout or if you want to analyze your total account from 2010, January 10th to till date, is it possible in an ATM machine? Not right, we cannot, right?
Yeah.
Because it consisting of transactional data. See, transactional data is nothing but runtime data or day-to-day data. is in current and detailed data. In an ATM, you can see only current data, isn't it? As well as it will give your transactions with timestamp. For example, yesterday you have withdrawn $1,000. Okay, like at 10 a.m. you have withdrawn like $100. Okay, 12 a.m. you have withdrawn $500. Like that, 3 p.m. you have withdrawn another $100 like that. Okay. If you take a mini statement there, it will give you like Jan 15th, 2015, 10 a.m. $100. Similarly with the date and the timestamp, $250 like that. Means the data is very detailed here or not? In an ATM, it will give you the detailed information because it isn't transactional data. Okay. So based on this, we cannot able to analyze, based on the transactional data, we cannot able to analyze your account. We cannot able to analyze the data, or we cannot able to analyze your account, or we cannot able to analyze your business, anything. Okay, in an ATM, it consisting of transaction data means only day-to-day data, runtime data or current data. Okay, there you cannot sit there and you cannot analyze your total business or your total data. Okay, and it is stored in a system called OLTP, online transactional process. Online transactional process means all the daily transactions will be placed in an system called OLTP, online transactional process. Examples are like ATM transactions, share markets. If you take share markets, the data will be changing day to day, right? Okay, the share values will be changing. You have very quick and dynamic changes in the share market. Alright, so all this comes under transactional data. Next one is analytical data. Immediately I am going with an example called bank. Now in the bank, as I said, in 2010 Wells Fargo, you have opened your account and it is 2015 January. Now you can able to analyze all these 5 years data in a bank because it consisting of historic data, huge amount of data. Analytical data means historic data. And if you have the historic data, we can easily able to analyze the business or the account or the data. Okay. And it is stored in a system called OLAP, Online Analytical Process, or we say Data Warehouse, DWH, Data Warehouse. As I said, in an ATM, if you take a statement, how it will come with a timestamp, right? Yesterday 10 a.m., Jan 15, 2015, 10 a.m., 7 a.m., like that. But here, in a bank, you can see total days summarized data. For example, yesterday, total you have withdrawn 10 times, like $500, $150, $200, like that $1,000 you have withdrawn. In a bank, all those will be summarized. Okay, Jan 14, $2,500, Jan 15th, 2015, $1,000, like this it will be giving because it is summarized data. Okay, and it is stored in a system called OLAP, Online Analytical Process Data Warehouse. Examples are like banks and big organizations, shopping malls, all those should maintain a data warehouse or not because they are having many branches. All the branches will be in a data warehouse. That is nothing but OLAP, OLAP. Hanson, any doubts?
No question.
Good.
I understand what you said about analytical data and
Like you can able to follow like each and every topic, right?
pardon? I'm following it. My question is that are you going to give me like a note after the whole thing, like in an email?
Like those will be like taken care by these Seasoft guys. Somebody will take care of those.
Okay. But I'm understanding what you're saying. The theory part is not too hard for me. I'm getting it, so you can move fast with it.
Like everything will be provided. Means I think you're asking about this material, isn't it?
Pardon?
You're asking about the study material?
Yes.
Yeah. Seasoft team will be providing all the materials. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Okay. So Hanson, that's all for today's session. It's first class, right? So hope you are following each and every concept.
I am.
I guess.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, then thank you, guys. Okay. Okay, have a nice day, man. Hanson.
Okay, thank you. Is that all for now?
Sorry?
Is it time off?
Yeah, like it's time to sign out.
Oh, what's the duration for the lecture? Sorry.
In general, it takes from 25 to 30 hours.
No, I mean a day. I thought it was 1 hour or so.
In a day, it's a first session, right? This is the first class, right? That is the reason I've taken only just half an hour. As well as I'm also like suffering from fever and
Okay.
throat pain. So that is the reason
Okay.
I'm signing out. Okay.
Okay, I understand what we talked about. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay then. Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye.
Bye.